We're here at Karl Emergency Vehicles in Des Moines, Iowa, where we just recently upfitted a Tahoe, 2020 Tahoe Pursuit for UnityPoint here in the central Iowa area. With this vehicle, we did install a Whelen carbide with CAN port, dual howlers, external siren amplifier for a second siren, with many features that I'll show you here soon. So, first off, for the safety of the driver, the crew, and anybody who's being transported in this vehicle, we do have side lighting that illuminates the ground and the area around it when you're opening doors to get in. With that, if being transported in this vehicle, we do keep the back lit for safety reasons for the transporter and the transportee. In the back of this vehicle, we do have a truck vault command center type thing that we would be using for the medical supplies, as well as if large incidents. We do have a heater in here to keep the medical equipment warm when this is outside in the winter. And all these lights do come on automatically with the opening of the hatch. To give you an idea of our lighting package here, like I said, this is a Whelen carbide with CAN port. So right here we have the Whelen rotary knob controller. Very easy to use with a progressive 3-slide switch. Easy to turn the siren on. Activate the howler with the horn. And everything shuts off with park. We can control all of our scene lighting with the controller, all the cruise lighting, and we can control the lighting for the transport compartment from the front, as well as activate our camera that's in the transport compartment and the drive camera from the controller here. We do also have an inverter in here to when going down the road, they can keep all of their medical equipment plugged in, such as monitors, suction devices, anything else they're using. Is also on a pass-through, so it works with the Q-Small auto eject and through this button right here to keep their equipment charged at all times. When you're going down the road and in park, and you put it in park, you automatically have a park feature. This feature is meant to keep the visibility better for those vehicles that are coming up on you, and it's part of the intelligent control that Whelen offers. We also do have full front scene lighting, as well as a front or left scene and a right scene. One of the coolest parts we have is the cruise lights, a low-powered lighting option for when you're on scene for a long time and you just want to catch a little attention, a little red and blue to catch everybody's eyes. This works really well without having any obnoxious red and blue to catch anybody off guard. With this, we do have also the digital ally camera system that is integrated with the lighting, with the lights activation and here on the controller. And we can control the compartment lights of the transport area with a button here on the console with red and white lighting. Now, to show you the sirens that comes with this, with the dual howler and dual sirens, we do have the dual sirens with howler. All that is hooked up with the intelligent control of the Whelen carbide. And what that does is it actually shuts the siren off and puts your lighting into the pattern like I described earlier.